সোমবার শিলচর গুরুচরণ কলেজের ইংরেজি বিভাগ তাদের একাদশ বার্ষিক বক্তৃতার আয়োজন করে। অনুষ্ঠানের প্রধান বক্তা হিসাবে উপস্থিত ছিলেন বিশিষ্ট শিক্ষাবিদ অধ্যাপক পার্থসারথী গুপ্ত, যিনি বর্তমানে ত্রিপুরা বিশ্ববিদ্যালয়ের ইংরেজি বিভাগের অধ্যাপক। শীর্ষক বক্তৃতার অধ্যাপক গুপ্ত সাহিত্য সমালোচনার বিভিন্ন দিক নিয়ে আলোচনা করেন। তিনি পাঠ্য সংক্রান্ত তত্ত্ব ও পাঠ সমালোচনার পরিবর্তনশীল পদ্ধতিগুলির উপর আলোকপাত করেন। কলেজের অধ্যক্ষ ডক্টর বিভাস দেব ইংরেজি বিভাগের শিক্ষক ও শিক্ষার্থীদের প্রশংসা করেন। ইংরেজি বিভাগের প্রধান ডক্টর পন্তপ্রিয় ধর স্বাগত ভাষণ দেন। তিনি বলেন, এই বার্ষিক বক্তৃতা সিরিজ গুরুচরণ কলেজের এক গুরুত্বপূর্ণ একাডেমিক উদ্যোগ। এটি ছাত্রছাত্রী ও গবেষকদের জন্য সমসাময়িক সাহিত্য বিষয়ক আলোচনায় অংশ নেওয়ার একটি গুরুত্বপূর্ণ মঞ্চ তৈরি করে দিয়েছে। অনুষ্ঠানে ডক্টর মেহেদী হাসান চৌধুরী ও শান্তনু স্বরূপ রায় সহ অন্যান্য বিশিষ্ট ব্যক্তিবর্গ উপস্থিত ছিলেন। শিক্ষক, শিক্ষার্থী এবং সাহিত্য প্রেমীরা অধিবেশনে অংশ নেন। ব্যুরো রিপোর্ট, আমার সোনার কালীগঞ্জ।
Colleagues from my department, student friends and members of the press fraternity, it gives me great pleasure to stand here amongst you in this pleasant winter morning to bring to you this series of lectures over the years. Today, in fact, we have the 11th annual lecture, and as you know, every year we bring in academicians from all parts of the country to come over to our institution and deliver an annual lecture based on a particular topic which has relevance to literary studies. In fact, when I was discussing the topic of this year's lecture, sir proposed this topic, for which I'm sure all students of literature.
Annual lecture will be delivered by Professor Parthasarathi Gupta. This way, actually, we can interact, we can exchange our academic excellence between the college and the university and vice versa. I am not a man of this one, the literature, but what I believe that literature can uplift the society in a very big height, and for that reason this type of interaction and exchanges are very essential. Department of English is a very active department, dynamic department in this type of activities, academic exercises, because the department organizing seminar, conferences for last few years, and that too in international level. So thanks to all the departmental colleagues and the head of the department. The most important thing is the world is changing fast. So we are to run, we are not only run, we are to run fast. Then we can cope up with the changing scenario of the world. Nowadays, only one certificate will not serve your purpose. Only one specialty will not serve your purpose. How?
Airport and put me up at hotel. The warmth and the care was something which really moved me. Thank you so much. Once again, good morning, everybody. I feel extremely privileged to have been invited at this historic venue, a historic institution of higher learning, GC College, not just in the region of Warak Valley and Silchar, but Assam and the entire northeast region in general. I thank the organizers from the bottom of my heart, Principal Sir, Pantho Sir, Shantanu Sir, and the entire department for deeming me fit enough to share my teaching experience and interact with the bright students of this college that has also been the alma mater students pursuing this new 4-year UG program mandated by the new educational policy 2020 that aims at looking forward to, or that aims at gearing up students for higher education, higher academics, leading to research. In fact, I'm sure the 4-year undergraduate curriculum would note that after you complete 4 years of this undergraduate program, if you secure a certain percentage, then you can go straight away for research, PhD. So that's the new NEP mandate. So I thought of engaging with certain foundational aspects of literature teaching, literature studying that would gear you up for some kind of a higher understanding of literature in general and textuality. And earlier we never thought about research at the undergraduate level when we were students. In fact, even when I was in the postgraduate, when I was a postgraduate student, somebody this morning was asking me, "Sir, when did you do your PhD?" And I said that I didn't even think about doing a PhD when I was, when I was working in Tripura University. When I joined Tripura University in 2004. Okay, I joined Tripura University in 2004, and I started my PhD only in 2007.
From the University of Bardhaman, West Bengal, with a thesis on Indian drama in English. With over 2 decades of teaching and research experience, his expertise lies in Indian theatre and aesthetics, drama studies, modern critical theory, performance studies, and translation studies. Professor Gupta has worked extensively with the Sahitya Academy Northeast Center for Oral Literature and Culture. His translations include folktales of indigenous communities from Northeast India like Bongcher, Raima, Mog, Chakma, and Tripuri. His translations have been published in Sahitya Academy Anthology.